Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best paintball masks that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the JTPremise Headshield Paintball Goggle. Get full head protection with this nicely designed paintball helmet. With plenty of air vents, you won't overheat as you play in hot weather. Your head and face should stay nice and cool. Also, the removable lens allows you to customize this paintball helmet. Then the interior padding is replaceable. Just remove the old and insert the new. A quick release system should take any issues away when you need to replace both items. Your field of vision should not be impaired with the anti-fog technology included on this paintball mask. Moving on at number 4, we have the Virtuevio Ascent Thermal Paintball Goggles. The neon green design may have you standing out more than you would like, but other than that you have a great face and eye protection. The mask is made to make sure your eyes, ears and mouth are fully protected when you play. The mouthpiece and vents make sure you get plenty of air flowing through the mask. You stay cooler and can still talk to your teammates. Also, the lightweight construction is easy on your head. You do not get as tired when you are wearing this paintball mask. Then the interior foam is replaceable if the original padding wears out. At number 3, we have the JT Spectra Flex 8 Full Head Paintball Goggles. If you like to be safe, then you may prefer this paintball mask. It covers your head and face completely. Also, scattered vents make sure your head stays cool while wearing the mask. The front grille lets you breathe and talk with ease. The easy-to-use goggles make sure your 260-degree field of vision is not blocked in many ways. You can remove the goggles if you want to change them. Plus, the interior padding works to keep the helmet comfortable, even over your ears. At number 2, we have the VForce Profiler Thermal Paintball Goggle Mask. This paintball mask has you looking like you mean business. With a large mouth grill, you can communicate and breathe without losing that serious look. After putting it on you will be amazed at how cool it keeps you with all of its vents. Also, its low-profile design makes you harder to target to hit or see. After putting the mask on you will find that the 280-degree field of vision gives you plenty of opportunities to spot your opponents. The no-fog lens works hard to make sure your field of vision is not impaired even in cooler temperatures. And finally at number 1, we have the I5 Paintball Goggle. One good thing about this paintball mask is that your head stays cool as you play. But you do get the great eye, ear and face protection that does not compromise any cooling systems. The multiple vents work to keep the rest of your head and face nice and cool. Also, the 290-degree field of vision provides you with a great view of your battlefield. To make the mask comfortable to wear, the interior has a soft foam padding installed. Plus, the security strap makes sure the helmet stays safely on your head throughout your playing time. The mask comes in over 20 different color styles as well. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.